afternoon, students. Thank you for watching again. Today is Friday, April 10th, and today we will start our unit on work. Do you have a job? Do you work? Remember, all of you are students, and being a student is your job right now. Okay, on page 96 in the yellow book, if you have it, take a look at the picture. What are some things that you see? I see lots of people. What do you see over here? Maybe clothes? What is this man doing? He is cleaning. Maybe there is some water on the floor and he is cleaning the water. What is this man, Leo, doing? He is fixing the car. Okay. In the office, what do you see on the desk? What is on the desk? I see a computer and a phone. Okay, let's see. What do you see here? I see some bags, maybe purses. What is this man doing? He is shopping and he is buying something from the store. Okay, what are these two men doing? They are eating at this restaurant, and it looks like they do not have their food, so they are ordering their food. They have a menu, and they are telling Eduardo what they would like to eat. Okay, what colors do you see in this picture? I see blue for the auto repair, a green office, a yellow floor, red chairs, a white shirt, and blue pants. Take a moment and point to many things in this picture that you know. And then we will learn some new words. Let's read these words together at the top of the page. Repeat: cashier, cashier, custodian, custodian, mechanic, mechanic, receptionist, receptionist, salesperson, salesperson, server, server. Okay, maybe these words are new, or maybe you know some of them. Let's start with server. A server is someone who works in a restaurant who you tell the server what you want to eat, and the server brings you your food. Sometimes another word is waiter or waitress, but a server works in a restaurant. Who is the server in this picture? Point to the server. If you pointed to Eduardo, that is correct. Eduardo is the server. He works at this restaurant here, and he is talking to the men to see what they want to eat, and then Eduardo will bring their food. Good. Let's look at this next word. Salesperson. Salesperson. A salesperson works in a store, maybe a clothing store, and the salesperson helps you find what you want to buy. Maybe you say, I need a blue shirt. You may go to a store and the salesperson will help you find a good blue shirt. A salesperson can be a man or a woman, and they usually work in a store, maybe not Walmart, but maybe a store that is only clothes, or maybe a jewelry store, somewhere where you need help to find what you want to buy. In the picture, point to the salesperson. That's right, Sarah is the salesperson. You see, Sarah is talking to this woman. Sarah is holding a dress, and she is showing the dress to the woman to help her find what she wants to buy. Okay, our next word is receptionist. Receptionist. A receptionist works in an office, answers the phone, works on the computer, helps make appointments, and basically helps people get where they need to be at a business or a school or a company. Point to the receptionist in the picture. Okay, the receptionist is here in the office. She doesn't have a name, but her name could be Sally, Pam. This is the receptionist. You see, she is on the phone. She is talking on the phone and working on the computer. Our next word is mechanic. Mechanic. Do you know what a mechanic does? A mechanic works on cars. If your car is broken, or it needs an oil change, or maybe there is a sound in your car, you take your car to the mechanic, and he will look inside and hopefully fix the problem. The mechanic in this picture works in auto repair. Auto repair means to fix a car. So you see Leo is fixing a car. Our next word is cashier. Cashier. You probably know cashier. Cashiers help you when you need to buy something from a store, but more like Walmart or a grocery store, a supermarket. A cashier counts the money and you pay the money to the cashier. Where is the cashier in this picture? Yes, the cashier is Lucy. She is helping the man check out. He is buying his stuff in the bag and he is paying the money to Lucy. Our last word is custodian. Custodian. And custodian is kind of like housekeeper, if you know that word. A custodian cleans the building. A custodian cleans the building, but they may also fix the building. Maybe there is something broken on the door, or maybe there is a problem. The custodian takes care of the building. The custodian does not have a name in this picture, but he is working right here to clean up the mess on the floor. Here is the custodian. What color shirt is he wearing? He is wearing a red shirt. Okay, very good. Let's move to the next page, 97. Let's repeat the words again. Cashier, cashier, custodian, custodian, mechanic, mechanic, receptionist, receptionist, salesperson, salesperson, server, server. Okay, and number one is right here. Point to the mechanic. Good. A is the mechanic. B, what is B? He is a server. Good. In number two, point to the receptionist. A is the receptionist. She is answering the phone and working on a computer. Okay, what is this lady doing? What is her job? She is a cashier. She has this pen and maybe this machine for the money, and she is helping the woman check out of the store. She is taking the money so the woman can buy her bag. Okay, and number three, point to the custodian. Here is the custodian. Good. And point to the cashier. Good. In number four, point to the cashier. B is the cashier. B also might be a salesperson. Cashier and salesperson can sometimes be the same, but cashier has the money. You hand the cashier the money. And finally, point to the mechanic in part A. Good. Here is the mechanic. She is fixing a car. Okay, one more time, let's repeat the words. Cashier, custodian, mechanic, receptionist, salesperson, server. Okay, good job. Let's take a break and practice some words that we need for these jobs. Okay? Repeat the words and then we will talk about what they mean. Repeat. Sell, sell, serve, serve, fix, fix, answer, answer, clean, clean, teach, teach. Okay, good. Let's go back to the top. Repeat the sentence. I sell clothes. I sell clothes. Sell means that you have clothes and you want people to buy them. So a salesperson may have clothes that they want to sell. They work in a store and they want people to come and buy the clothes. So if you are a salesperson, you sell clothes. You have clothes and you want people to buy them. Let's repeat this one. I serve food in a restaurant. I serve food in a restaurant. Okay, maybe you go to a restaurant and you want a burger, or you want some rice, or you want pizza. If you are a server, you serve food. You bring food to the people who come to the restaurant. So someone comes into the restaurant and says, I want pizza. You serve the pizza. You bring the pizza. Okay, let's repeat. I fix cars. I fix cars. A mechanic fixes cars. Maybe your car is broken. Maybe the tire falls off. Maybe there is a noise in the engine. If your car is broken, you take it to a mechanic. If you are a mechanic, then you fix cars. You help a person when their car has a problem. Okay, let's repeat. I answer the phone. I answer the phone. Okay, a receptionist has a job to answer the phone. Maybe you work at a school and someone calls. If you are the receptionist, you answer the phone and say, hello, this is the school. How can I help you? Answer the phone. Okay, let's repeat. I clean the building. I clean the building. Maybe you work as a custodian or a housekeeper. If you do, then you clean the building. Maybe you clean the bathroom, maybe you sweep, maybe you take care of the trash, or make sure that the building is clean. Okay, let's repeat. I teach science at the school. A teacher works at a school. And what does a teacher do? A teacher teaches. If you are a teacher, you say, I teach science, or I teach math, or I teach English at the school. Now, in April of this year, all of you are home, and if you have children, maybe you are the teacher. Maybe you help teach your children because they cannot go to school. Okay, let's go back to the book on page 98. First, let's listen and then repeat. Number 1, she answers the phone. Repeat, she answers the phone. What is her job? She is a receptionist. We know she is a receptionist because she answers the phone. Okay, number 2. Repeat. She counts money. She counts money. Let's read. What is she? She is a cashier. A cashier has the money and they have to count it. So $1, $2, $3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20. They count the money to see how much money they have. Number 3, repeat. He fixes cars. He fixes cars. When your car is broken, who do you take your car to? You take your car to a mechanic. A mechanic. Number 4, repeat. He cleans buildings. He cleans buildings. Remember, the S is important. Not clean. He cleans. Cleans with S. And he is a custodian. Here, this is called a vacuum. He will vacuum the building and he will clean the rest of the building. Number 5, repeat. She sells clothes. She sells clothes. Here, she has a blue dress. The salesperson is holding the dress. This woman with the red shirt wants to buy a dress, and the salesperson is helping her. Number 6, repeat. He serves food. He serves food. Here, the man in the white shirt is a server, and he is serving the food. This woman and this man with the glasses, both of them wear glasses. They are at a restaurant, maybe on a date, and they are ordering food, so they want to eat. The server is bringing their food, maybe a salad, it looks like. So he serves food. Okay, read these on your own. If you have your book, do number 2 for homework. Draw a line to the correct answer. So number 1, a receptionist answers the phone. Do this as practice and we will review the answers next week. Okay, that is all the new material we will learn today. If you want to take the spelling test practice, now we will start that. So if you have a new piece of paper, please get that out and number it 1 through 10. And we will take our spelling test. But remember, as always, this is just for practice. Okay, let's begin. Number 1, dollar. Dollar. These socks cost $1.50. Number 2, R. R. Are you going to school today? Number 3, white. White. That is a white shirt. Number 4, since. Since. That costs 75 cents. Number 5, yellow. Yellow. Those are yellow pants. Number 6, much. Much. There is too much happening today. Number 7, blue. Blue. The sky is blue. Number 8, shopping. Shopping. Are you going shopping today? Number 9, brown. Brown. My shoes are brown. And finally, we have number 10, clothes. Clothes. I need new clothes. Okay, good job. On the next page, we will have the answers. Remember, only for practice. If you did not get them right, that's okay. English takes time. Just look at the spelling and then you will know how for next time. So again, number 1, dollar. Number 2, R. Number 3, white. Number 4, cents. 5, yellow. 6, much. 7, blue. 8, shopping. 9, brown. And 10, clothes. All right, thank you for listening. This was the beginning of Unit 8. Next week, we will spend a lot of time in Unit 8 in the yellow book, and there will be some activities for you to do at home. Thank you and have a great weekend.